So today I'm going to make up a sugar shake test jar to do a sugar shake test on my bees. This is a test for parasitic mites and things like that. Then in another video I will show you how to do a sugar shake test. So this one here, we're going to make one up. I'm going to use one of my old honey jars with a plastic lid. And I picked this up here, cuisine section mini serving basket. Picked it up from the reject shop just for the mesh in it. It's a bigger mesh that the bees can't get through, but the icing sugar is going to go through. So I'm going to deconstruct this first with my multi-grips. Somewhere I will start. I don't know how I'm going to just start by deconstructing it. I'm sure the people that made this would love to see me doing this. Actually, a pair of old scissors may just do this a bit easier. Just watch the sharp edges on them. Hopefully that's going to cover most of the lid. So I'm going to use my seal as a template. To get a rough size. Now, because we haven't got it quite round, we can't use this as my template. So I'm going to put that on there, and it appears that I may need to trim it up a little bit. Fits in nicely. Now, it's not quite as pretty as ones that you would buy, but if you need to make one up to do one, it's cheap, easy to do, doesn't take a real long time, and it's going to work just as well. Give it a go yourself.